YouTube, what's good? It's your man Wux Official, and in today's video, we're painting my brake calipers, man. We're going to paint them orange. Yes, sir. That's look good. Looks real good. And if you guys didn't already notice, got the orange sticker, orange 5.0 sticker. That used to be red. I'll show you the before. That's clearly the after. Now what is the paint we're going with? Got this off of eBay for the low. If you look somewhere else, they have them for kind of expensive, but eBay is cheap, baby. Forgot how much. Less than $30. I know that for a fact. And yeah, it's gonna look good. Almost looks reddish, but it's gonna look good. Yes, sir, that matches. Looks great. So, looks like your boy might have hit the jackpot, and I'm about to get this car jacked up. You guys don't have to watch me, so I'll go ahead and get the car jacked up, and we'll get to you real quick. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Good Lord, look how big these calipers are. God dang, it's bigger than my freaking hand. Lord, that's some good brakes. We're not gonna do it now. I don't feel any lips. I was feeling to see if I felt any lips on my rotors to see if they were, you know, not warp. I don't think warp is the word, but time for new rotors. If you do this and you can feel the bumps on your rotors, I actually do not. Yeah, I don't feel them at all. So my rotors are still pretty good. I do want to replace these and get drilled and slotted. Come on, baby. How you gonna have some stuff like this comes to cool the rotors, but we don't have drilled or slotted? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get one of the two. I might get both. Get to it, baby. See, I didn't tape up this whole part because we're gonna be in here, but if there's any overspray, I don't want it getting on the car over here. I'll probably tape this part up and this fender right here in the wheel well. But yeah, you see we got that taped up, bagged off. So it's gonna be good, man. It's gonna be nice. So I'll let you guys see the finished result in a minute. Let me show you the rears. I wanna paint these too. But that's the same color the front caliper was. So we're gonna get that painted, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. In the next clip with the finish. All right. Well, actually, hold up. All right. Bro, look at the color. It looks like a wasp, but I've never seen a wasp that color. What the hell is that? There's another one right here. Guys, what is that? Any biologists follow me on YouTube? If one of you biologists follow me on YouTube or just know what it is, yo, leave a comment. But we're about to put this clear coat on. This is what I used on when I clean my, guys, I'm tired, man. This is what I used. Yes, engine enamel. It takes the high temperature, so that'll definitely work with calipers. Well, I'll catch you guys when it's finished for real this time. All right.